Hi! In front of me is Honor 9A, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose apps over here and go into permission manager. Then select one of your phone's features like location and pick one of your apps, like Bing browser. Then select one of those options for your app. Allow only while in use or deny. I will go with allow only while in use, so when I go back, I can set Bing, just gain access to my device location if I'm using it. But you can also tap on one of your apps, select see all Bing permissions over here and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!